Introducing the thinnest, smartest, and most beautiful Galaxy Flip phone ever made. Galaxy Z Flip7, slim, smart, stunning. Meet the all-new Galaxy Z Flip7, where unparalleled beauty meets powerful performance, seamlessly fitting your lifestyle and your pocket. The redesigned FlexWindow stuns with a sleek edge-to-edge display and our slimmest bezel yet. Do more without ever unfolding, check messages, preview selfies, and even access apps, all from the outside. When unfolded, it reveals a main screen that's a visual masterpiece, uninterrupted, immersive, and built for stunning clarity. It's slimmer when folded, sleeker when open, with a reduction of 0.4 mm in thickness and weighing just 1 gram more. This is Galaxy Z Flip refined. Capture your world in extraordinary detail with the upgraded 50MP camera. Preview your selfies in real time on the FlexWindow, and use custom AI filters to enhance your skin tone, textures, and background, instantly. From up-close portraits to hands-free wide shots, Galaxy Z Flip7's AI zoom makes every photo post-worthy. Just snap, and let the ProVisual engine refine and sharpen the details for you. Power through the day with our larger 4,300 mAh battery, paired with MDNIE tech and a powerful processor for hours of non-stop entertainment. Enjoy seamless scrolling indoors or outdoors with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a blazing 2600 nit peak brightness. And with Vision Booster, you'll see every color and contrast clearly. Choose between 256GB or 512GB storage and 12GB RAM. Whether you're a casual user or a power gamer, there's space for every moment and memory. And now with Galaxy AI, you're not just getting a phone, you're getting a genius. Talk to Gemini Live in real time. Ask questions, share photos, or get instant suggestions, hands-free, worry-free. The Galaxy Z Flip7 is more than just a phone. It's a gateway to a connected ecosystem. Sync with other Android devices. Share instantly via Quick Share. Everything works, like magic. This is the future of foldables. This is the Galaxy Z Flip7. Make the switch. Discover a new world. Or better yet, an entire galaxy. Flip your world.